Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make a crochet rope so that it can be used for this crochet vest, which I recently did for myself. There are like few loops as part of this crochet project through which I'm gonna insert this loop in a zigzag pattern, that is a crisscross pattern, so that I can adjust and tie it once I wear it. So for this I'm using a 4.5 mm crochet hook. So this is as per the size of the yarn, the plush yarn I'm using. Let's begin by making a slip knot. There are many ways to make a slip knot, so this is the way I usually follow. So you just have to twist the yarn and then make chain 1, and this makes a slip knot. Then make chain 1, chain 2. Then we're gonna insert our hook into the second chain from the hook. Grab the yarn. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through the first loop, and then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now insert the hook into the base chain, yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over and pull through the very first loop. So this is our base chain, and now let's make the single crochet stitch, which is to yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this is a combination of foundation chain and a single crochet stitch, which is used for most of the crochet clothes. I'm using this pattern for making the crochet rope for my vest. So continue with the same pattern. We have to make one chain at the base loop and then followed by a single crochet. I'm gonna do it for a length of about 60 inches long. You can make somewhere between 50 to 60 inches. That tail ends to be hanging a little bit longer for my style, so that's what I prefer. So here I have completed almost 60 inches of length. Let's check the length now. So let's check the size of the rope I just made using this pattern. So yeah, it's exactly 60 inches, which is the desired length for my project. So let's see how to finish this project. For that, you just have to make chain 1 as your last stitch. Pull up the loop very tightly so that a knot is created, and then cut the yarn. Okay, this is my crochet vest. So I have made 2 panels, a front and back panel, and connected at the shoulders. For the sides, I have just wanted it to be adjustable, so I made this loops, small loops on either side of the panels, and I'm gonna bring the crochet rope we just made through these loopholes in a zigzag pattern. So you can follow the video. So for the vest, I have made a total of 5 loops on each of the sides. You can reduce the number of loops, and also thereby you can reduce the length of the crochet rope as well, because you don't have to bring the rope through so many loops as you see here. So it's totally customizable, right? So it's per one individual's choice. So I'm at the last loop. Just bring it together to form a knot and make a bow knot. That's it. My vest is complete. So I'm just gonna hide the loose end, that is the tails. Let's see how to do that now. You may want to use a smaller size needle. For the actual cord, crochet cord making, I used 4.5, but here I'm going to use a 3 mm crochet hook, so that it's very easy to bring the hook and the thread through the loops. So I always prefer a smaller size hook, and I don't use the tapestry needle to sew the loose end. So that's one of the reason I have cut short it to a very small size. If you're using a sewing needle, you can cut about 6 inches long. So once you're done with hiding the tail end, you can trim off the excess yarn if it is showing up. So I'm just gonna leave it as such. It's totally fine. It's not showing up in the project. So let's repeat the same and do it for the another end as well. Here is the final look, and I hope you found this video useful. And also this is gonna be my upcoming video tutorial on how to make this crochet vest. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.